Working with mechanical engineering designs and have KCB files from KeyCreator? This is a CAD file from a powerful direct modeling application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open, view, and work with these KeyCreator CAD files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange KCB formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A proprietary file format used by KeyCreator, a 3D mechanical computer-aided design (CAD) software. These files store 2D and 3D models, designs, and assemblies. Engineers and designers encounter KCB files when working within the KeyCreator ecosystem to create, modify, and share precise product designs. The KCB file is a complex binary format structured to hold geometric data, assembly hierarchies, material properties, and design history. Its design prioritizes precision, performance for large assemblies, and interoperability with other CAD formats, enabling direct editing of geometry without a traditional history tree. We recommend using KeyCreator by Kubotech 3D to ensure proper reading of KCB. To enable complex features within the file, a dedicated proprietary application is necessary. Windows lacks comprehensive 3D rendering features, so full file access depends on professional modeling software. The quickest way to solve the failure is to test all compatible openers. Right-click the KCB file and hit Open with. Use KeyCreator if installed. If not, choose another program. We must confirm the software handler. If your KCB file still refuses to open, stay calm. We've established the file is difficult. Take immediate action by running these 3 essential quick troubleshooting procedures. First, opening in KeyCreator. Install KeyCreator from kubotech3d.com with appropriate licensing. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the KCB file. The software displays the 3D model with full direct modeling capabilities, allowing geometry modification, dimensional changes, and assembly manipulation without parametric history constraints from traditional CAD systems. Next, viewing with KeyCreator Viewer. Download the free KeyCreator Viewer from Kubotech 3D for read-only KCB file access. The viewer provides full 3D inspection with rotation, zoom measurement, and section views without modification capabilities. Useful for stakeholders reviewing designs without requiring full KeyCreator licenses for engineering teams. Finally, converting to standard formats. Within KeyCreator, export models to neutral CAD formats like STEP, IGS, Parasolid, or STL using File then Export. STEP and IGS enable use in SolidWorks Inventor and other CAD systems, while STL works for 3D printing. This facilitates collaboration with users on different CAD platforms across engineering supply chains. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.